Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. As you saw there, I went to a dyno today and put down 490 wheel torque and 397.5 wheel horsepower on a Dyno Dynamics, which is considered the ultimate heartbreaker of dynos, even worse than a Mustang dyno. They read 15 to 20% low, and being super conservative, saying 15%, that should convert to close to 460 wheel horsepower on a dyno jet. And you know, the torque is going to be up over 530 wheel, somewhere between 530 and 560 wheel. So definitely happy with those results. Pretty impressed. I got a custom tune from Ken from Wedge Tuning. I'm going to put his information in the description just in case you guys are interested in getting a tune. It's a very smooth tune, but puts down some serious numbers, and all in all, I'm quite happy with it. This car is running on E60, and it's a custom map targeting around 20.5 psi from what I could tell. I have more clips coming. My buddy just supercharged his 996 C4S with a VF engineering kit. So I'll put a quick clip showing you guys what that kit looks like, and we're going to insert dyno clips from that car, as well as my buddy with the Q50 Red Sport running on JB4 downpipes and MBRP exhaust. We're going to insert a clip on that as well and include dyno charts. yeah, so there you go. As you can see, we had some fun at the dyno today. My buddy with his Red Sport was quite happy with the numbers, considering it's not even a custom tune or anything. Seems like there's a lot of potential in that motor. And my buddy with the 996 was very happy. That car feels real quick now. Very fun to drive. So thanks for watching. I'm going to do a follow-up video going into more detail as to how this custom tune has changed things for me and how it feels now. So look out for more content. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. I upload regularly.